Hello guys, I'm Paris Options again. Welcome back to my channel. So again, September month ending, and I'm ending down 2.8% for this month and down 3.5% for the week that passed by. But yeah, net to net, I'm down 2.8% for the month of September. Again, it was because I was trying out new strikes and trying out a new risk strategy and how I can take complete use of a move in the market, and that's why I kind of ending with a loss over here. But then again, a lot of other things also factoring, also propelling the loss. Anyways, I've learned a lot of things, and I'm definitely going to make a video, and I'm thinking of making a video for you guys so that you guys can learn how to you know analyze and how to stay away from big losses in the market. And then definitely it will be out very soon, so don't worry guys. Anyways, this month again, Nifty and both Nifty and Bank Nifty ending with red candles, if you see, and bearish candles actually. So what can we expect for next month? See, if you see in the previous times, what has happened is that we've seen two red candles, mostly two red candles we've seen, and then we've seen an up move, two or three red candles. If we see two red candles, then we saw an up move. Two red candles, then we saw an up move. Two red candles, then we saw an up move. Sometimes we've also seen three candles like over here, three red candles, then we saw an up move, right? So what could happen at this point in the market is that either we could consolidate over here and then we could see an amazing up move back above the all-time high that we made, right? Either that could happen, or either we could slide down even more to the downside. So for this month, 37,200 becomes very important. If the low of this candle is broken, right, then we could expect a very, very good, selling coming in the market till 36,000 levels at least, right? Because then the market really doesn't has a lot of support till 36,000 and 35,000 level. So 37,200 now becomes very important, and then we could see 37, if we break 37,200, then we can expect even more selling coming in the market till 36,000 and 35,000. And again, on the upside, if we just consolidate below 41,000, then we can expect a month or two of consolidation even more at this level itself, and then we could see a very, very good breaking above the all-time high, and then we could move to 45,000, 46,000 levels. All these levels can come very fast if we consolidate at this level itself. Again, for now, again, uh, Nifty looking a little bit more bearish than Bank Nifty, I'd say. But again, 16,800 becomes very important. If we start going below 16,800, then we can see 16,400, 16,500, these levels in the coming months easily, right? But again, if we consolidate over here between 18,000 and 16,800, then we could see a month or two of consolidation, probably a month of consolidation only, and then we could see a very good up move once that happens, right? So that's it. That's for the monthly analysis. But what can we see in the weekly charts, right? In the weekly charts, if you see, we've actually made a very good candle, right? If you see in Nifty, we made actually a bullish candle. Leave the color alone, but we made a bullish candle. So again, Nifty 17,200 now becomes important. Once we get a daily closing above 17,200, then we can expect an up move above till 17,500, 17,400 levels in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, again, 39,200 now becomes important. Once we get a closing about 39,200, then we can probably expect a move till 40,000, right? And then we could expect some consolidation or even move up till 42,000. You never know, right? But yeah, if we do break the high of this week, we can definitely expect a little bit more bullishness in the market. And what could happen over here is that either we could go up from here, right? We could go up, take resistance at 40,000 and then move down again, right? That could be a very possible scenario over here. But if you see in the daily charts, the situation now looks actually bearish, right? If you see, we moved down, then we took resist. Now we've had a pullback. Now this pullback, if it continues upwards, right, then we could see bullishness in the market again. But again, I don't think we will continue because this is just a pullback, and we've actually broken a broken 38,000, which was a very important support. So now what could happen is that once we go below 50% of this candle, which comes near 38,100 to 38,000, right? Once we start going below that, we can expect more bearishness to come till 37,000 to 36,800, where the 200 moving averages lie in Bank Nifty. Same with Nifty, if you see in the daily charts, right? Once we start going below 16,900 to 16,950, we can expect even more bearishness to come in Nifty till 16,400 to 16,300 levels, right? That could be a very possible case again, but again, that depends that if we do not break the high of 17,200 in Nifty and 39,200 in Bank Nifty, right? But if you see in the now this was like the larger trend, right? What you can capture in the larger trend. But what about the 15 minutes trend, and what can you do for Monday, right? So again, on Monday, now you see 38,150 becomes important. 38,000 again. If you are very aggressive, you can just, as soon as we cross 38,400, what you guys can do is you guys can start creating short positions in the market. You can go a little bit less aggressive over here, but as soon as we break 38,200 on the downside, then I am expecting a lot of bearishness to come in the market. Then we can even break this low of 37,400 and probably go down till 37,000 to 36,800. So that could be a very good scenario for you guys. But again, what you can do for Monday is that if we open flat, right, somewhere near over here 38,600 or 38,700 for that matter, as soon as we cross 38,540, you guys can take a trade over here. Then your first target can easily become 38,400, 38,300 on the downside, right? On the upside, if we do cross 38,800, then you guys can take a trade over here, not even 38,800. Once we cross 38,750 on the upside, once we start crossing 38,750, you guys can start taking a trade over here, and then your target becomes 38,950 to 900 on the upside. But do keep in mind the 200 EMA, sorry, 200 EMA on the upside, which could be a problem. So yeah, do keep that level in mind and exit accordingly. What you guys can do is you guys can just start exiting at 38,900 itself, right? So if you open with a big gap down, again, if you open with a big gap down, I'm expecting a lot of bearishness to come in the market. I'm expecting that anywhere below 38,400, if you open with a gap down, I'm expecting a lot of bearishness to come in the market, and then we could see new lows being formed in the market. On the upside, if we open with a gap down, the situation could be a little bit, a little bit more dicey. But again, 39,200 on the upside becomes very important. As I said, if you open with a gap up about 39,200, which is a very, very, it's like somehow if we do open, then we can expect a lot of bullishness, or even about 39,000 if we open, then we can expect a lot of bullishness in the market. Below that, what we could see a lot of volatility over here, and then what you guys can do is that, say if we make the day low at somewhere near 38,800, right? If we make a day low somewhere near 38,800, right, in the first say 15 to 20 minutes, we make a low of 38,800. As soon as we cross that in the next half, then you can start creating bearish positions in the market for big large targets of 38,000 and 37,000 on the downside, right? Same with Nifty again. Once we cross 17,060, you guys can take a trade over here. Your first target becomes 17,000 to 17,010. On the upside, again, 17,200 becomes very important. Once we get a 15-minute closing above 17,200, you guys can take a trade over here. Your target then becomes 17,300 on the upside. Any sort of gap down over here below 17,000, and once we get a 15-minute closing below 17,000, you guys can get bearish again in Nifty also. And any sort of gap up above 17,200, if we get, you guys can get I'm sorry, you guys can get bullish in Nifty till 17,300 to 17,400 levels. So yeah guys, that was my weekly and monthly analysis for the next week and also for the next month. This month will be kind of crucial, and we shouldn't go down a lot if we need to continue the up move in the more coming months in December and November. So this month, if we do consolidate over here, we can see all-time highs being touched by the end of the year. we can definitely see all-time highs being touched by the end of the year. If we do consolidate over here for this month, right, then we can see 18,700, 18,800, even 19,000 by the end of the year or by the start of the next year, right? Same with Bank Nifty. Consolidation over here is very important so that new buyers can come in the market and take the market up till new all-time highs. So yeah, guys, that was my analysis for this week and month. I hope you liked it. And also do join my Telegram channel for getting a lot of updates on my trades. And I also do give a lot of, educational video, kind of a lot of, educational, what teachings, if you can say, on how things work in the market. So yeah, it can definitely help you a lot. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you like my video. I'll see you in the next week. And yeah, have a great trading week and month.